Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. Today's layout is inspired by the current Moodboard challenge, and I am working with the gorgeous September 2021 kits, and I started with a lot of fussy cutting from one of the gorgeous Hip Kit Club exclusive papers with the different patterned cute apples on it. And I started this layout with two Distress Oxide inks and the EcoPark paper stencil, EcoPark stencil from the color kit. And I just wanted to have some of the cute leaves and dots on my background, and the colors are totally inspired by the cute apples and the dark leaves I wanted to use on my layout. And the page is inspired by the Moodboard, and I was totally inspired by the apples and the colors, but I decided to go with orange, blue, a touch of pink and a tiny bit of red. And the picture I'm scrapping today shows me, my hubby, and our little one when he was very little, and so he's a fall baby, and I thought that's totally matching my theme today. Now I'm just bringing in some splatters with the same Distress Oxide inks, and then I will grab one of the Shimmers paints colors from the September 2021 color kit. And the color is not totally matching the orange I have going on in the apples, but I wanted to have a tiny bit of orange on my background, and so I decided to go with some teeny tiny splatters around the blue area. And then I will start to build up my layout. And my first idea was to cut all of the apples from that gorgeous paper and stitch them all down. But I just cut out 2 rows of them, and now you can see I'm just folding them a tiny bit in the middle, and then I will secure them with a dot of liquid glue, and then I will stitch through them with my sewing machine. And I totally love how this is looking, and I love the size from the apples and that they have a different inner parts, and I just love it. So that's the design I want to work with, and then I will take a little break and I will stitch all of them down with just some white thread and a straight stitch. And then I will have a look into all of the bits and pieces. I already grabbed 2 pocket life cards, and here you can see I'm just distressing the edges now. And I also grabbed some of the Pink Fresh Studio leaves and flowers, and I cut off the big white border around them. And then I will just start to layer everything close around my picture. And I decided to work with the doily. I haven't done that in ages, and so I thought a cute white border around the orange pocket life card would be cute. And I love how the doily is looking. Here I was not sure about the placement, so I will just fiddle around for a bit, but I will move everything a bit higher, and I love how the colors are working together. I really do. Then I will have a look into all of the stickers and ephemera pieces again, because I needed some more pieces to scatter around. And these are the cute chipboard circles from Pink Fresh Studio, and I'm just going with the one who said that said love. And now I'm looking to the puffy stickers, through the puffy stickers, and I wanted to use one of them as my title, but I couldn't find the perfect one, and so I would not use any of them. Here I will cut out, or I will just grab a chipboard sticker that said family photo, I believe, or picture, no photo. But it's gray, and so I will not use it. I thought I could just sneak it in, but I don't know, I decided against it. Here I will grab a smaller one, Thankful for You, but I will not use it either, so I'm just going through everything. But that's always the case when I'm opening the kits and working on my first page, so I'm not sure about the things I want to use, and yeah. Here I grabbed a orange sticker that said together, and now I will grab the big blue puffy alphas and thought I would work with the title home, and so my title will be Together Home or something like that. And I love the clean font, I love the size of them, and I love the dark blue letters going on that area. Here you can see I have glued everything down. I also added some dark blue thread under some of the leaves. Now I'm just bringing in the ruler and a pen for some journaling lines. And now I'm looking for my date stamp, just because I wanted to add the date, yeah. And I thought I could sneak in some animal dots, but I will not because there's already so much color and details going on. And I would just add, I'm not sure, now the date stamp. And then I would just add a pattern paper on the left side from the layout. And I will just cut out a wonky area, and I will distress that with my scissors, and I will also rip the paper just a tiny bit. And I just love how the stripes are looking on the left side. And next to that, I believe I am done. And I totally love how this layout turned out. I love the colors, and I totally love that cute picture. And yeah, so you will get a close-up in a second and some final pictures at the end. And thank you so very much for stopping by, and I hope you're all doing good. And yeah, I will link you to the member forum so that you can play along with the current mood board. And yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon. Bye.